Hey everyone, I hope you're doing okay, and I hope you're staying dry in this ridiculously wet weather that we've been having. It's been one of the wettest weeks we've had in a long time, and I kind of wanted to give you an idea of what to expect when it comes to weeds over the next week or two. This has been the perfect environment, the perfect storm, if you will, of moisture. We've had a lot of rain, and temperatures are up in the 60s. They've been even into the 70s at times, and next week we're going to have some sunshine, and all three of those things combined are the perfect scenario for weeds to just take off and explode. It's like a steroid injection for weeds. They're going to be bulking up, getting huge, and it's going to seem like they're spreading all over the place. And what you need to know is everything you're seeing right now that's coming up and over the next couple of weeks, that all germinated back in January. Those weeds germinated possibly even in December. All these weeds that you're seeing, they are prevented with the fall pre-emergent. That's what you want to do the fall pre-emergent for, is to prevent these weeds from coming up. So if you have a lot of weeds coming up in your lawn, I don't want you to think that it's too late, that you've missed your window of opportunity to have a good lawn, weed-free lawn this year. The pre-emergent you're putting down now is going to prevent weeds from coming up later in the spring and even into the summer months. That's the goal with this pre-emergent we're putting out right now. So if you have tons of weeds coming up right now and your yard's full of weeds, or over the next couple of weeks you see a lot of them coming up, don't think you missed your window of opportunity. Yeah, you're going to have to deal with those with the post-emergent and try to get them under control, but you can still keep what's happening now from happening later on this spring and into the summer. But you have to act right now, because we literally are weeks away from it being too late. Just a matter of weeks until all the weeds are going to be germinating, and you're going to have problems later on in the year. So get it done right now. Go look at our Facebook page. I've got plenty of videos on what to use and when you need to be doing it and all that. So go watch those, go get your product and get it out right now. It's super important. And if you have a lawn that's full of weeds right now, it's not too late. You can still have a better lawn later on this year, and you can control what you have right now. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, let us know. We'll be glad to help you out any way we can. Thanks.